Hello everyone, you pay millions and buy a car, you have two keys, moreover you have pools, you have your seat, very fancy, but you want to define a different key for each user. But it's not possible to do this, no matter how hard you try. Unfortunately, Turkey doesn't support this. That is, they don't provide you user profile support in their vehicles. You will have to press the button here to set it to the adjusted position.
Then you will sit.
But if you say you want it to remember your settings with your key and open it like that, unfortunately this is not possible in these cars. Now let's open our car.
Vehicle settings. Here, friends.
Our CarPlay is connected.
We are opening the settings. It is usually above and below the lights. If there is no profile support here, meaning if you cannot see user profiles, you will not be able to assign this to your key. We researched a lot and we reached this conclusion. If anyone knows of another way or method and informs us, at least we can inform people. But unfortunately, right now this is the case and we don't have a user profile. Our vehicle is a Skoda Kodiaq Sportline, so it's not in the basic package, but unfortunately profiles haven't been assigned to our users.